In today's video, I will show you how to install SteamOS on any PC using Bazzite. This is the perfect SteamOS alternative for PC gaming. And this installation tutorial turns your computer into a Steam Deck gaming machine even on Nvidia that official SteamOS still doesn't support. If you want a console-like Steam Deck experience on your own hardware, Bazzite is the best SteamOS alternative for PC gaming. Also, Bazzite uses atomic update method, so this way a bad update can always be rolled back. And that being said, let's start with the installation. Now for this demonstration, I will be using my HP gaming laptop running Windows 11, and I'm gonna install Bazzite on a separate drive. The only requirement of this video, you need a USB drive with 16 GB of storage. Then head over to Bazzite and download the latest version. To download the Bazzite ISO image, click the download button and fill out the details to get the correct ISO image for your hardware. You will notice that Bazzite supports various devices such as the Steam Deck, Legion Go, GPD, and much more. In my case, I'm choosing other laptop and the GPU vendor. My laptop comes with Nvidia RTX 3050 and I will select this option. Now keep in mind that Bazzite works flawlessly for gaming laptops with AMD GPU in gaming mode. It also supports Nvidia GPUs, but gaming mode is currently available in beta. And that's why I'm going to choose the desktop experience. After selecting this option, I get the ISO file download link with full Nvidia GPU support. The ISO is approximately around 8 gigs in size and the download might take some time to complete. Next, visit the Etcher website and download the application. Once it's done downloading these files, open Etcher and connect your USB drive to your computer. Now choose Flash from file and import the Bazzite ISO image. Then choose your USB drive as the target disk and click Flash. Now wait for the flashing process to complete, which may take several minutes depending on your USB drive writing speed. Now once it's done, go ahead and reboot your computer. Whilst rebooting, you need to enter into BIOS settings. Now use the keyboard shortcut based on your motherboard. Now mostly it could be F2, F9 or the escape key. The first thing to do after entering into BIOS is to enable USB boot. Next, go ahead and disable Secure Boot. You can enable Secure Boot if you want. Then change the boot order by setting the USB drive as the primary boot device. Once it's done, save the changes. Now your system will boot into Bazzite from the USB drive. If in case it fails to boot, use the boot menu to load Bazzite install media. Now once you're inside the Bazzite Linux, go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi or internet. Then choose Install Bazzite option. Now select your system language and keyboard layout. Then choose your date and time. Then click Change Destination and choose the disk you want to install Bazzite. Then choose Entire Disk. Now this will wipe all data in it, so make sure you have backed up everything. You can also encrypt the drive if you want. Then create a brand new user account with strong password. This is the summary of the installation. Choose Erase and Install. Now sit back and relax. The installation process may take some time depending on the writing speed of your drive. When the installation is complete, shut down your system. When the screen goes black, remove the USB drive. Then turn on your system to boot into Bazzite. If it doesn't boot into Bazzite, open UV Boot menu and choose the Bazzite OS Boot Manager. For the first time, it will ask you to enroll the secure boot key. Since I have disabled secure boot, I will continue to boot. And voila, Bazzite Linux is successfully installed. After installing Bazzite, the post-installation process helps you to install some applications, fixes, and manage your PC. Go ahead and open Bazzite portal, and using these options, you can perform post-installation steps. I recommend updating the Bazzite OS and reboot your system. Now let me navigate to settings and show you the About page. And as you can see, it's running the Bazzite Nvidia edition. The Bazzite Desktop Edition comes with pre-installed Nvidia GPU drivers, Flatpak, essential applications, Lutris, and much more. The main goal of Bazzite is to provide a SteamOS experience. The Desktop Edition comes pre-installed with Steam application, which allows you to play most of your Windows games using Proton. Now once you're ready, log in with your Steam account. Then open Steam in gaming mode. And boom, you can see it looks exactly like SteamOS. Now let me go ahead and download some games. I have selected the Windows exclusive games to download. First, I launched Asphalt Legends. The shaders compiled very quickly, and after a short wait, I was able to play the game. The gameplay was very smooth, and I didn't encounter any issues or stuttering. Next, I tried to play Forza Horizon 4. The gameplay was fantastic even on high settings. Now, thanks to RTX 3050 in my laptop, the performance was impressive. Overall, Bazzite is a fantastic and stable operating system designed to enhance the SteamOS gaming experience. Since Bazzite is based on the Fedora Atomic desktop, each update retains the previous version of the OS on your machine. And this means you can easily roll back to the previous image during the boot time if the update causes any issues. And that's pretty much it, and that's how you properly install and configure SteamOS using Bazzite. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.